Magandang araw po sa bawat isa po sa atin at welcome po ulit dito sa Global Fire TV. Bago tayo mag-aral, bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy, tatanungin ko muna ang bawat isa sa inyo, all over the world. Napanood niyo ba or aware po ba kayo dun sa pelikulang The Quiet Place? Aware po ba kayo doon? Napanood niyo po ba yon? O kung sino man sumusubaybay sa inyo? Yung The Quiet Place, meron po siyang part 1 and part 2. Anong story ng The Quiet Place? Yung The Quiet Place, basically, napakasimple. It's a story na sobrang tahimik because it's a quiet place. Bakit po siya naging tahimik? Kasi hindi sila pwedeng gumawa ng any noise because kapag nagkaroon ho sila ng noise, ay mare-recognize po sila, maririnig nung gusto hong pumatay sa kanila. And the whole story, tahimik lang po sila. It's a quiet place. Because the moment they make a noise, they will be recognized. Did you know in the Bible, there's a story wherein hindi sila quiet, pero yung mata nila ay hindi nakakita of what is happening around them. God prevented those two people, His disciples, not to see things. And when the moment na na-open yung eyes nila, they realize kung sino yung kasama nila. You know, meron ng dalawang storya, may dalawang disciples si Jesus in the road of Emmaus, na kung saan God prevented their eyes to see kung ano yung nangyayari. But the moment Jesus Christ, God opened their eyes, na-realize nila na si Jesus pala yung kasama nila. And yung doubts nila, nagkaroon sila ng faith from being doubtful to have faith and joyful. Saan ho yun? In Luke chapter 24, pag-uusapan ho natin ngayon, yung road of Emmaus, ano ho yung nangyari sa dalawang disciple ni Jesus? In the road of Emmaus, Jesus Christ turned their doubts into faith. Jesus Christ turned their doubts into faith in the road of Emmaus. Paano? Did Jesus give them teaching? This Jesus Christ scolded them? Pinagalitan ba niya yung dalawang disciple? Pinagsabihan ba niya? No. Napakasimple ho nung ginawa ni Jesus for them to realize. He took the bread, He broke it, and He gave thanks, and He gave it to them. Napakasimpleng gesture na kung saan pinakita ni Jesus who He is. In the road of Emmaus, yung doubt ng mga tao, kung si Jesus ba yung totoong magiging Messiah, it turns out to be a faith, nagkaroon ng pananampalataya sa pamamagitan ng isang simpleng salo-salo. Today, pag-uusapan ho natin, ano yung pwede nating matutunan tungkol dun sa dalawang disciples at kung paano na yung faith nila ay naging, yung doubt nila ay naging faith. Na kung paanong binago ni Jesus Christ yung kanilang pananaw at pananampalataya doon sa sitwasyon. Samahan niyo po kami sa pagpapatuloy ng pag-aaral po ng salita ng Diyos dito po sa Luke in the story of the road of Emmaus, wherein after the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ, kinausap niya yung dalawang disciples niya. At ngayon po pag-uusapan natin, pag-aaralan natin, kung paano binago ni Jesus yung buhay ng dalawang ito at nung iba pang disciples sa pamamagitan po ng simpleng pagkain. Join us today as we study the Word of God in the road of Emmaus, and I hope and I pray that our doubts will turn into faith as we study His Word. Sana po sa araw po na ito sa pag-aaral ng salita ng Diyos, ma-encourage ko po kayo na ang bawat isa po sa atin, kung tayo nakaka-experience ng doubts, ng fear, ng anxiety, sana po mapalitan ito ng pananampalataya kay Jesus. Subukan niyo pong sumama po kayo sa amin dito po sa Global Fire TV. And as we study the Word of God, I hope and I pray that you will be blessed today. Join us. Global Fire TV. God bless all of you and have a good day.